Swami Brahmananda was the first president of Sri Ramakrishna Mutt. Sri Ramakrishna declared him to be his spiritual son.
Once, Mother Kali told Sri Ramakrishna, "Tomorrow, I am sending you a son." Sri Ramakrishna replied, "When I am dependent upon others for my food, how can I feed him?" Mother Kali said, "He will not depend upon you for his food. He will become your spiritual son." Rakal came to Sri Ramakrishna the next day.
Unable to transcend his weaknesses, Swami Brahmananda decided to leave Sri Ramakrishna forever. On his way out, he came across Sri Ramakrishna. Sri Ramakrishna said, "Rakal, though you may possess any number of weaknesses, I will throw them out." Sri Ramakrishna not only points out the tendencies within devotees but also performs surgery to make them tendency-free. It is not a miracle. He developed this power as his thoughts, words, and deeds remained the same forever.
Swami Ramakrishnananda did not differentiate between the idol of Sri Ramakrishna and Sri Ramakrishna. He covered Sri Ramakrishna's idol with a blanket in winter and fanned it in summer. Swami Ramakrishnananda established the Madras Ramakrishna Mutt.
Once, Sri Ramakrishna said, "God exists, but he is not perceptible by our mind, words, and senses." Sri Ramakrishnananda asked him, "If God is not perceptible to any of the above, how can you speak about him?" Sri Ramakrishna replied, "It is true that God is not perceptible by our intellect or mind. However, God is perceptible if the intellect or mind is pure, concentrated, and eligible. That is, God is reachable when we do not differentiate between ourselves and others."
Turiyananda implies the one who enjoys only the bliss contained in the self. He does not need any other happiness. So, he always enjoys the state of Turiya, the fourth state.
When Sri Ramakrishna was suffering from throat cancer, one day, a devotee by the name of Harinath approached him and asked thus, "How is your health?" Sri Ramakrishna replied, "I am suffering from throat cancer. There is a burning sensation in the entire body. Hence, Latu is fanning me." Harinath looks at the face and into the eyes of Sri Ramakrishna. The face, as well as eyes, seem to be blissful. Harinath said, "There is no relation between your words and face. Though you say you suffer a lot, your face and eyes reflect only bliss." Sri Ramakrishna replied, "Oh, this rascal has found me." When Sri Ramakrishna addressed Harinath as a rascal, all the foreign matter or tendencies within Harinath vanished. He became the purest of the pure. Though Sri Ramakrishna called Harinath a rascal, Harinath was not hurt. He said, "Due to your holy company, due to your compassion and grace, the one who gets hurt does not exist here anymore." Later, Harinath became Swami Turiyananda. He wrote a commentary on Vivekachudamani and preached the same in the USA.
Jaya Mata Jaya Masuda Oti Nila Ramo Jaya